want to begin tonight with that guilty verdict we mentioned. Back on December 3rd, 2019, Detective Eric DeValkenaere and his partner entered the backyard of Cameron Lamb. That's when the detective shot and killed Lamb. This was a bench trial, and today the judge, citing the Fourth Amendment, found DeValkenaere guilty of involuntary manslaughter and armed criminal action. Shortly after that verdict was read, chants erupted outside the courthouse.
Say his name! Say his name! Justice for! Justice for! Justice for!
You could hear the crowd shouting justice for Cameron Lamb. We're joined now live by KCPD 41 News reporter Andres Gutierrez. And Andres, you were inside the courtroom when the verdict was read, so tell us a little more about that moment.
Well, Caitlin, Cameron Lamb's mother, Lori Bay, started crying quietly as the judge explained how the actions of KCPD Detective Eric DeValkenaere were unlawful. As soon as the guilty verdict was read, herself as well as other family members rushed outside into the hallway and erupted into cheers as well as applause. Inside, the detective remained being comforted by his legal team.
There are certainly numerous significant and troubling issues of fact that have been presented in this case.
After spending almost a week of considering evidence and testimony in the shooting death of Cameron Lamb, Jackson County Judge J. Dale Young's verdict centered on whether KCPD Detective Eric DeValkenaere violated the Fourth Amendment, protecting a person's right against unreasonable searches and seizures.
Defendant and Sergeant Schwam had no arrest warrant for Cameron Lamb, nor were they at 4154 College to arrest him, and would not have had probable cause to do so or to obtain a warrant.
During the trial, prosecutors argued DeValkenaere acted recklessly when he entered Lamb's backyard in December of 2019 on suspicion of a crime. The judge agreed. Judge Youngs also found DeValkenaere wasn't acting in self-defense or trying to protect his partner when he shot Lamb.
That they were both escalating a situation that previously had de-escalated, and that their actions created or exacerbated the risk that what ultimately occurred would.
Ultimately finding DeValkenaere guilty of involuntary manslaughter and armed criminal action. Lamb's mother surrounded by supporters who sought justice.
There's much hope that comes out of this for this family and for many who stand to come to the legal system to find the kind of justice that we all believe that this country holds to.
What we sought in this case was a just outcome, and I believe that's where we stand today. This was a legal decision. It was a legal question.
Now, as we just learned moments ago, DeValkenaere has been suspended from KCPD without pay. He is out on bond until the sentencing happens, and that is supposed to be happening at a later time once the judge is able to confer with both the defense and the prosecutors on when to schedule that date. Reporting live at the Jackson County Courthouse, Andres Gutierrez, KCPD 41 News.